From smart car upgrades to practical tools that make everyday driving easier, these must-have accessories are designed to boost comfort, safety, and convenience. Whether you're commuting daily, heading on road trips, or upgrading your ride, these clever finds deliver real value without overcomplicating life. All products links in the description section below. Flat tires have a way of showing up at the worst possible moments: early mornings, late night drives, or right when you're running behind. That's where the Latestgadgets R1 Pro fits perfectly into everyday car life. Compact enough to live in your trunk, yet powerful enough to inflate a tire in seconds, it takes the stress out of roadside surprises. With smart auto stop, clear digital readings, and support for cars, bikes, and more, it feels like a small upgrade that makes a big difference. If you like staying prepared without extra hassle, this is one tool worth keeping close. At $39.98, it's ready when you are. If you spend time on the road, after dark, or love giving your truck a sharp, modern edge, the OPT7 Redline Tailgate light bar feels like a natural upgrade. It blends bold style with real safety, making your Tacoma more visible during braking, turning, reversing, or backing into tight spots. The sequential amber signals add a premium touch, while the bright LEDs help other drivers notice you sooner. Built tough for all weather, it's practical for daily driving and weekend adventures alike. If you want your truck to stand out and stay safer, this upgrade delivers confidently at $113.99 for safer nighttime driving. Changing a tire doesn't have to feel like a workout or a roadside nightmare. The CC electric car jack turns a stressful situation into a smooth, almost effortless fix, whether you're at home, on a road trip, or dealing with an unexpected flat. With one-button lifting, cordless freedom, and a powerful 5-ton capacity, it's designed for real-world emergencies and everyday drivers alike. Compact enough for your trunk, but strong enough for SUVs and trucks, it adds confidence to every drive. If you like being prepared without breaking a sweat, this smart upgrade makes a lot of sense. At $129.99, it's ready when you are. Backing up, hitching a trailer, or squeezing into tight parking spots feels a lot easier when you can actually see what's behind you. This wireless backup camera system fits perfectly into daily driving, road trips, and towing jobs without the headache of wiring or drilling. With a magnetic mount, solar charging, and a clear 7-inch HD monitor, it's built for quick installs and real-world use. Night vision and long-range signal keep things sharp even after dark. If safety and convenience matter to you, this setup is a smart upgrade worth considering at $219.99 for confident reversing every time. Long drives and daily commutes feel a lot better when your car audio works the way you want it to. The new Laxi Bluetooth car adapter slips easily into your routine, turning any drive into a hands-free, music-filled experience. With Bluetooth 5.3, adjustable bass and treble, and clear call quality, it's perfect for commuting, road trips, or quick errands. Dual fast charging ports keep your devices powered while you enjoy smooth streaming and safer calls. If your car needs a simple tech refresh without replacing the stereo, this little upgrade delivers impressive value at $25.99 for better sound every drive. Crowded parking lots and tight spaces can be brutal on your car doors, even when you're careful. These magnetic car door dent protectors fit right into everyday driving, offering quick protection when you park and easy removal when you're back on the road. The soft cushioning helps absorb impacts from nearby doors, while the strong magnets keep everything securely in place. They install in seconds, store neatly, and help preserve your car's finish without permanent changes. If you want a simple way to avoid costly dings and scratches, this practical add-on is worth keeping in your trunk at $69.99 for peace of mind parking. If washing your car feels more like a chore than a satisfying routine, the Macmillan Swivel Gun Pro changes the whole experience. Designed for detail lovers and weekend washers alike, it lets you move freely without fighting hose kinks or awkward angles. The smooth swivel action, light trigger pull, and built-in nozzle holder make switching tasks easy and comfortable, whether you're foaming, rinsing, or doing a deep clean. Built tough for high pressure and long sessions. It's one of those upgrades you notice immediately. If you want washing to feel smoother and more controlled, this handle delivers real comfort and efficiency at $79.98 for smoother kink-free wash days. Sometimes it's the little details that completely change how your car feels inside. These acrylic interior LED lights are perfect for turning everyday drives into a more personal, fun experience. Whether you want a calm glow for night cruising or color-changing effects that move with your music, this kit lets you set the mood in seconds using the app or remote. The light strips fit cleanly into most interiors and stay bright without being distracting. If you enjoy customizing your ride and making it feel truly yours, this ambient lighting upgrade is an easy win at $39.99 for instant interior vibes upgrade. A clean windshield makes every drive feel safer and more comfortable, especially when glare, fog, or smudges start creeping in. This Astroe windshield cleaner fits easily into regular car care, helping you reach tricky corners of the glass without straining your back. The extendable handle and rotating head make interior cleaning quick, while the reusable microfiber pads leave a streak-free finish. It's simple, effective, and handy for daily drivers or weekend cleanups alike. If you like clear visibility without complicated tools, this bestseller is an easy add to your kit at $14.99 for crystal clear drives ahead. Busy mornings and on-the-go touch-ups are easier when your car has the right little upgrades. The Singaro Car Sun Visor Vanity Mirror fits perfectly into daily routines, giving you clear, natural lighting wherever you're parked. With adjustable brightness, dual light tones, and a rechargeable battery, it's designed for quick checks or full touch-ups without hunting for outlets. The slim, universal fit keeps your interior tidy while adding real convenience. If you like feeling put together even when life is moving fast, this handy accessory is a small upgrade that makes a big difference at $14.99 for flawless on-the-go touch-ups. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to a cleaner, smarter drive. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is perfect for daily commuters, road trip lovers, or families sharing the same car with different phones. Just plug it in once, pair, and enjoy fast auto reconnection every time you start your engine. No apps, no hassle. Navigation, music, calls, and voice assistance stay smooth while your dashboard stays clutter-free. Its ultra-compact, flush-fit design blends right into your car, making it feel factory installed. At just $42.49, it's a simple upgrade that makes every drive feel effortlessly modern and enjoyable today. If you want your message to stand out instantly, this programmable LED sign makes it impossible to ignore. Whether it's mounted in your car, shop window, food truck, or event setup, the bright RGB display grabs attention day or night. You can customize text, emojis, colors, and animations straight from your phone using the simple Bluetooth app. No tech stress involved. Its flexible, lightweight design makes installation quick and storage easy when not in use. Perfect for promotions, announcements, or creative expression, it's a smart visual upgrade that turns heads fast. Currently unavailable, but absolutely worth watching closely. Getting stranded with a dead battery or flat tire is never part of the plan, but this car jump starter makes sure you're always prepared. Designed for daily drivers, road trips, and emergencies, it delivers serious power to start cars, trucks, and even RVs in minutes. The built-in air compressor quickly inflates tires, while the smart LCD screen keeps everything clear and easy to use. Add in the emergency LED light modes, and it becomes a true all-in-one roadside companion. With a limited-time deal price of $49.99, it's peace of mind you'll be glad to have on board. Keeping your tires in check shouldn't require guesswork, and this wireless tire pressure monitoring system makes it effortless. Perfect for daily commuters, road trips, and long hauls, it delivers real-time pressure and temperature updates right on a bright, easy-to-read display. The solar-powered design means less charging stress, while multiple alert modes help you catch issues before they turn into roadside problems. Installation takes just minutes, and the windshield mount keeps everything visible without distraction. With a discounted price of $31.99, it's a simple safety upgrade that helps every drive feel more confident and controlled. Sometimes it's the small upgrades that make the biggest difference, and this carbon fiber steering wheel cover proves it. Designed to add a sleek, sporty touch while improving grip, it makes every drive feel more comfortable and controlled. The anti-slip, sweat-resistant surface stays cool in warm weather and protects your steering wheel from scratches and wear year-round. Installation takes seconds, yet the fit feels secure and solid once in place. Whether you're refreshing your car's interior or looking for a practical gift, this simple accessory delivers style and function at just $15.19. Flat tires don't have to ruin your trip, and this tire puncture repair kit is built for quick, stress-free fixes wherever you are. Designed for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and trucks, it lets you repair tubeless tires without removing the wheel or waiting for roadside help. The mushroom plug design seals punctures securely from the inside, helping prevent air leaks and keep you moving safely. Compact and easy to carry, it's a smart addition to any glove box or travel kit. At $26.99, it's affordable peace of mind for every driver and rider. When the road disappears into darkness, these super bright LED pod lights step up with confidence. Built for off-road adventures, night driving, and low visibility conditions, they deliver wide, powerful illumination that helps you see further and drive safer. The amber DRL adds extra visibility in fog or rain, while the rugged waterproof design handles tough terrain without hesitation. Installation is straightforward with the included wiring harness, so you're trail-ready fast. Whether you're upgrading your truck or gearing up for weekend adventures, these lights add both style and performance at $89.99. Parking in tight spaces or busy areas can easily lead to scratches and dents, but this car door protector helps prevent that stress altogether. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks, it adds a simple yet effective layer of protection to your door edges. The soft rubber material absorbs minor impacts while resisting heat, wear, and aging over time. Installation is quick and tool-free with strong adhesive backing, making it an easy upgrade for everyday driving. If you want to protect your car without changing its look, this affordable accessory at $12.99 is worth adding today. Oil changes don't have to be messy, and this flexible silicone all-funnel set makes the job cleaner and easier from start to finish. Designed for both DIY car owners and professionals, these reusable funnels mold perfectly to tight spaces, guiding fluids exactly where they need to go without spills. The heat-resistant silicone and reinforced core make them durable enough for repeated use, while the two-size set handles everything from small openings to larger tanks. Easy to clean and endlessly reusable, it's a practical garage upgrade that saves time, effort, and frustration at $26.99. Keeping your car, home, or workspace clean doesn't need bulky equipment, and this compact cordless vacuum proves it. Designed for quick cleanups, it delivers strong suction in a lightweight, easy-to-store cube that fits almost anywhere. The flexible hose and crevice tool make it simple to reach tight spots, while the two-speed option handles everything from light dust to deeper messes. With a shared battery system, it's perfect if you already use works tools. At a discounted price of $89.99, it's a convenient grab-and-go cleaner you'll actually use regularly.